Hello everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can reply to streaks on Snapchat. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Snapchat app. It's an app where you can take pictures or videos, add filters, lenses or other effects and share them with your friends. Now open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then at the bottom of your screen there you'll see a chat icon. Tap on it. Select a friend whom you want to reply on streaks. After you open up the snap they have sent to you, there you'll see send a chat. This way you will be able to reply them. If you want to reply to them by sending snaps, tap on the camera icon which is at the bottom left of your screen. Take a snap, then tap on the send icon which is on bottom right. If the timer is set for a short period of time, you won't be able to do that. For that you need to go to their chat. There you can see that you can send messages. If you want to send snaps, tap on the camera icon which is at the bottom left of your screen. Now you can take a snap and then tap on the send icon. This way you can reply to streaks on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.